application called Website Pickup Store Selection will allow you to create multiple stores of your shop, your store, and whenever a customer is buying your products from your e-commerce website, they will also have an option to select the store alongside with the shipping method. So let's see how this works. So first, we will go to Sales, Configurations and Settings. Under configurations, we have a new configuration setting called multi-store, and we will enable that. Once we enable that and save it, we can again go to configurations, and a new option will appear over here called stores, where we can add our multiple stores. Here you can see I've already added 2 stores. If I go to one of the stores, I can add the store number, the store name. If you have any store name, you can add that. And then you can add the store contact details, the address, the store opening and closing time, and the phone and the mobile number. And all the sales associated with this particular store will be visible over here as well. So this is my one of the stores, and this is my store number 2. I've added the details here as well. Now, once you have created your stores, you also have to make sure that your shipping methods are connected with the stores. So here I have 2 shipping methods. One is delivery charges and one is free delivery charges. So if I go to one of the delivery charges, if I go to one of the shipping methods, I have an option over here called pickup. I will enable this. As soon as I enable this, a stores tab will appear. Here I can add all of my stores. Let's say I have only one store under free delivery charges, but I also want to add another store, and I can save this. And I also have one of the stores under my delivery charges, as you can see that as well. Now, if your store is not a pickup, you can disable this and you do not need to add any store. But if it's a pickup, you can add your store in your shipping methods. Now let's go to website and see how this works. So I will go to website and I'll go to shop, and let's say I add one of this product. Add this to cart. I will go to my cart and I will process the checkout. Now here I have 2 options to choose from for the delivery method, and underneath I have the stores option as well. So I can select the store. Let's say I want it from store number 1, and I can also get it from store number 2 because it's also available under free delivery charges shipping method. But if I select delivery charges, it will not allow me to get it from store number 1 because that is not associated with that shipping method. Correct. So let's say I am choosing free delivery charges and store number 2, and I'll make the payment. Now let's go back. You can see our sales order number is 3. Now let's go back and we will go to the sales module and check how it will also be visible. The store will be visible on your sales order. So if I go to sales and go to my, you can see the sales order number 3 has been created over here. So open that and you'll be able to see the store number 2 visible here. So you know that this particular order is associated with store number 2. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your question in the comment section below and we'll get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.